Lady, go!
I just got the Grimace shake.
Ooh, that sounds delicious.
Do you want the Grimace shake?
Yes, it's so nutritious.
If I drink it, will it be a big mistake?
Why would you ever think that?
They say it could put your life at stake, and once you drink it, you can't go back.
Happy birthday, Grimace. What is on your Amazon wish list?
Giving me everything you want. You're the friend we're looking for.
Happy birthday, Grimace, Grimace.
Let me just say, you're my favorite purple guy. You're the friend that I wish I could multiply.
Who cares about Ronald and the other guys who make me so happy that I could just die?
You're the type to leave no child behind.